Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how you can make an ornament with some paper towel and a bit of yarn scraps. So let's get started. To make this easy ornament, I have a sheet of paper towel and I'm going to fold it in half, fold it in half again, fold it in half again, and once more. And I'm going to put some clear tape, any tape will do, around just to hold all those layers together. And you're going to use some yarn, and this is homespun yarn. I'm going to use that. You can use any of your scrap yarns that you have. And you're going to need between 2 and 3 yards of yarn. And I'm just going to tape my yarn just to hold it in place. Okay, so I have my yarn taped down there, and I'm just going to start winding it around my paper towel. All the way down. Just keep winding the yarn around and around. Okay, I'll round it all the way down. Now you can decide how large you want your little wreath to be, and so I'm just going to keep mine small, so I'll just stop there. If I went to the end, it would be a little bit too big, I think. So I'm going to stop here. And I'm going to put some glue down and put my yarn in there. And then I'll cut that off and also cut that off. And now I'm just going to pinch the wreath so that it's like that. And I'm going to bring these two ends together and hot glue those together. And I had some ribbon, and I'm going to cut some little strips of ribbon. And I have some garland. I'm just going to cut a small piece from the end, like that. And that's where I glued it together. So first I'll make my bow. So I'll just fold this like this, and I'll attach it there. And I'll cut my ribbon on an angle. And I'm going to glue those there. So I'll cut these a bit shorter. And I'm going to glue those here. And then I'll glue my greenery here. Like that. And these are little alder cones. And they grow on alder bushes on the side of the road. And I'll do one on each side. Like that. And I have some aluminum foil. I'm just going to break off some small pieces, and I'm going to make some little silver berries. So I'm just going to fold all these in like that, and then roll them into a ball like that. Like that. And I'll cut a strip from my ribbon. Turn this around, and I'm going to attach it right here. And there you go. That's how easy it is to make an ornament with some paper towel and a bit of yarn. And here's another one that I made. On here I added a jute bow and some alder cones And then I painted 2 of the alder cones red. And you can use them with either the decoration on the bottom or on the top. So there you go. That's how easy it is to make these little yarn ornaments. I'm going to show you how to make these copper stars with cereal box. So let's get started. To make these stars, the first thing I'm going to do is glue 2 layers of cereal box cardboard together, and you can use Mod Podge or Elmer's glue. I'm just going to spread some glue on the cardboard, and sometimes if it's really shiny, you need to rough it up. And you could make these stars in gold or silver or copper. Today I'm going to use copper. So you're going to paint both sides of the cardboard with the paint of your choice. And rather than just brush it on like that, I like to pounce it on like this. And that will give you a nice texture to the paint when it dries. And I've already gone ahead and done that. And I've painted both sides. And I'm just going to trace around a star shape all the way around. And I'm going to cut it out. Like that. I'm going to take a map tack and puncture a hole. And now I'm just going to wrap some of this garland around. So I'm going to start up here at the top. You can start anywhere. You can wrap it around as much as you like. I'm just going to wrap it around a few times. Cut it off. And then I'm just going to curl it around my pencil. Like that. And now I just have a little metal ornament hanger. I can pass that through that hole. And there you go. You'll have a metallic star that you can put on top of the gift, or in the tree, on the mantle, in the window, wherever you'd like to hang some faux metal stars. If you enjoyed this video, please click like. And please share on your Pinterest, Facebook, or anywhere else on your social media sites. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.